Sir, actually, his voice is not coming.
Aditi and Muskan. We are here to present a PowerPoint presentation on Microsoft Bing tool. So let's talk about the content which we are going to see in this presentation. First, we'll be having the introduction, then feature, application of Bing tool, challenges of Microsoft Bing tool, pros and cons. Let's move ahead with the introductory part of Microsoft Bing tool. So, Microsoft Bing is search engine which was developed and operated by Microsoft. It was launched in the year of 2009. It provides the user with a usual, appealing, and initiative search experience, aiming to deliver relevant and comprehensive results. It is known for its distinctive daily homepage images, and features like visual search. Apart from Bing, it continues evolve, uh, integrating artificial search intelligence and innovative features. Moving ahead, we have the features of Bing tool. So we have web search, image search, video search, news search, map, and directions. Let's talk about them by one on one. So, uh, so we have the first one, which is the web search. It provides the traditional web search result, and then we have the image search, which allows searching for images with filters like size, color, type, etc. Then we have video search, which enables to us to finding the videos online with previews or thumbnails. Then we have the news search, which delivers up-to-date news article based on the user's query. Then we have maps and directions, which offers mapping services, directions, information, and street level views through Bing Maps. So the next slide will be explained by Muskan. Ahead to you, Muskan. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Malini. My name is Muskan, so I'll be continuing with the other part of the features. So first one is shopping. Second is translator, finance, health information, and weather. So discussing it in detail. So when it comes to shoppings, it incorporates product search and comparison features. Second point is translator, integrates translation services for text and web pages. Finance, it provides stock market data, financial news, and currency conversion. Health informations, when it comes to health information, it offers health related information, symptoms, treatment, and medical advice. On weather, it provides current weather conditions and forecast. Next slide. So I will request Aditi to continue from this.
Thank you, Muskan. So, in this slide, I'm going to talk about different applications of Bing tool. So, basically, Bing tool is used for web search because basically it is a search engine. So, it is used extensively for general web browsing and research across industries, including education, business, and personal issue. Suppose if we want to know about anything, then we usually render on Google. So similar way, we use Bing search engine for web search. So moving to the next application, which is advertising. In advertising, Bing offers advertising solutions similar to Google Ads, enabling business to promote products and services. So, in the next application, which is Maps, so like Google Maps, there is a similarity. Is there's a similar application known as Bing Maps, which provides directions, traffic informations, and location based services, which is beneficial for navigation logistics, and real estates. By real estates, I mean real property, meaning which you own, that is attached to a piece of land or a residential or commercial, etc. So, um, in the next application, which is image and video search. In image and video search, uh, basically it is valuable for industries like media, design, and entertainment for finding and analyzing visual content. Um, so the next application is healthcare. So Bing has been utilized in healthcare for data analysis, medical research, and providing health related information. So the next one is developers. So in this application, we use Bing APIs and services, which are used by developers to integrate search capabilities into applications and websites. Next slide. So in this slide, I'm going to talk about different challenges of Microsoft Bing tool as a search engine. Because it actually has to compete with the Google, which is a major competitor in this market. So to compete with the Google as a search engine, Microsoft Bing faces various challenges. So the first one is market dominance. So as we know, Google is a long established dominance, makes it difficult for Bing to gain significant market area. As we know, to render any information, where it is to make a simple search or to get any kind of content, we used to search by using a Google. So it make market dominance for Google compared to Bing tool. So the next one is perception. So Bing has struggled with the perception issue, often seen as inferior to Google, because as we know that Google is from one mouth to mouth, very famous. So for any reason, if we want to search anything, then we basically prefer Google instead of Bing. Um, so Bing is often seen as a inferior to Google in terms of search results and features, as I already told you. So the next one is user habits. So basically people are accustomed to using Google. So basically it makes it more challenging for Bing to persuade user to switch, uh, because it is user friendly, because as we know that Google is user friendly. So people are more comfortable with Google as a search engine, so they don't want to switch to another search engine like Bing tool. So the next one is innovation. So as we know that Google continuously keeping up its innovations in their search algorithms and features, which poses a challenge for Bing. As we know that a voice search is, as we know that for some years uh, prior, uh, Google don't have the facility for voice search, but nowadays we can see that Google is enhancing the property of voice search, image search, etc. So it makes more difficult for Bing tool to stand in the same queue with the Google. Now, the next point is monetization. So, Bing advertising platform is not a robust as Google's, affecting Google basically affects revenue potential and limiting its appeal to advertiser. As we know that Google already advertises more and more time. We get Google ads in YouTube's or in television ads, etc. So uh, Google is more popular among users than Bing tool. Move to the next slide. So this slide basically about pros and cons, which will be covered by Muskan.
Thank you, Aditi. So I'll be covering with the topic, yes, pros and cons. So first point is that comes under pros is visual search, then its integration with Microsoft products, video search, rewards programs, and privacy focus. So first point is visual search. So Bing's image search and the visual features are often praised for their accuracy and ease of use. Second point is integration with Microsoft products. It's tightly integrated with Windows and other Microsoft services, providing seamless functionality. Third point is video search. Bing's video search is comprehensive and offer previews, making it convenient for user looking for multimedia content. Fourth point is rewards program. Bing Rewards allows user to earn points for using the search engine, which can be redeemed for various rewards. Fifth point is privacy focus. Bing emphasizes user privacy and offer tools for managing search history and controlling data. Coming to cons of Microsoft Bing tool. So first point is market share. Second is algorithm accuracy, user interface, localization, and third party integration. So, what is market share? So, market share, Bing has a smallest market share compared to Google, which means its index might not be as extensive or up to date in certain areas. Second point is algorithm accuracy. Search result might sometimes be less accurate or relevant compared to Google's due to difference in search algorithms. Third point is user interface. Some users find Bing's user interface less intuitive or visually appealing compared to other search engines. Fourth point is localization. In some regions, Bings might have fewer localized features or less relevant search results compared to other search engines tailored to those regions. Last point is third party integration. Bing's integration with third party apps and services might be less extensive than some other search engines. So, with this, next slide. So, with this, we come to this PPT. So, anyone, any questions?
No, sir.